Yes, I am here again once more with some more things to talk to you about. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Yeah, my people, I have videos that I'm going to present to you in this video, alright? So first things first. I am going to present a video to you that's going to show at least one police officer, and you can also see other persons as well in the video, viewers and subscribers. Now, in this video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person said that someone take the person's driver's license. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? Now, for you to get a better understanding about this whole situation, I'm going to present the video to you, and I want you to pay close attention to the word powder that had been mentioned in this video, alright? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think about this situation.
It's Jamaica. This is Corporal Reed and the Transport Authority. Them down a Long Bay. Them stop me. I cooperate with them. They say them a seize my vehicle because my documents them. I have powder in my documents them and they want to know what it mean, what I represent. Them say they affect them. I cooperate with them, give them all of my documents and everything, and them decide say them feel threatened and intimidated by me my powder and my vehicle. This is the Transport Authority that take my documents and a young lady. You understand? This is the one says she don't want to talk to me because me too evil. I ask her why she sees in my driver's license, she can't answer me. She take them and put them in one bag, and that was it. So them say them away for the record to go seize the vehicle, they can go to Freeport to do some testing. Yeah, this is the situation.
Hey, why are you doing that?
This is my evidence, so. No, this is my evidence, Corporal Reed. This is my evidence. Of you guys seizing the vehicle, taking my documents, hold on to my driver's license, and say you're gonna seize the vehicle and whatever. I have a purpose on my driver's license. I entitled to my driver's license. You review my driver's license, review my documents, and hand it back to me. You understand? If you have something that I have a concern about, you can do it, but give me my driver's license. Because I need it.
Notice the police not to set
it's my personal driver's license.
Notice. Just notice.
It's not for the police or the Transport Authority. You understand? The Island Traffic Authority is the one who's supposed to hold on to my driver's license in that case. So I don't know what are you guys doing.
Hold up.
Understand?
Hold up.
See the young lady here in a vehicle, they say powder the Africar. They say powder the Africar.
Powder. My people, you hear what I want? Eh? So, me have to wonder what really and truly about the whole powder as to what the person saying in the video. You see me as a viewers and subscribers? Yeah, some people, based on where you hear and see another video, tell me who you think was right from who you think was wrong, viewers and subscribers. You see, remember, me only go by some words that have been said in the video and certain things that I saw in the video. So, who do you think was right from who do you think was wrong pertaining to that situation? Let me know what you think, viewers and subscribers, alright? Now, if you like the way how I present videos to you, and if you're new to my channel, even if you have been watching my channel for a certain amount of time and you have not yet clicked the subscribe button, please click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, so now I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Now, this video is going to show law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica, or the video is going to show police from within the country of Jamaica. Now, in the video, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person was angry or upset at police, who you can see in the video, viewers and subscribers. And I want you to look at this video and listen carefully to some words that have been said in this video and tell me, who do you think might be right from who do you think might be wrong when it comes on to the situation that you're about to see and hear in this video. Viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video. So viewer discretion is advised. Alright, here's the video. Look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Stop back here, him tell me first. Stop back here, mother, bright. And I hear mama stop back here, feisty. Can't tell me about my mother, me not tell her back. She will abuse in a position too much as police. Abuse in a position too much. Every day your friend, you hear your friend say suck back here. Bright. But suck your Maya, bright. Me the right ticket if them a right ticket. Thing. So back here, outside. Abusing a position too much. Come on, me care do you stink, you can't tell me about under me ugly. You're ugly. I mean, I take on my word, you are very ugly. Ugly blood. I know you have to come tell me about my mother. Me turn on the camera, I can put on up on my TikTok. I can put on up on my TikTok. That ugly black one then. I can put you up on my TikTok. I can tell you no. You shut your mouth, you know, you are a hypocrite. You are a hypocrite. More than me son and have no heart for people. I don't drive heart same way. Money you know want licky police, so no, me know who no good. Me know who no good. I rather pay government than give me money. I rather pay government than give me money. Licky police, so no, me know who no good. Licky police, so no, me know who no good. Me no buy out no, me son and no heart for people, that is what I said. You gonna tell me about heart, me see your ugly lie. You gonna tell me about under me, so me say under your mama bride. You can't come tell me about me mother, me not tell you about no foreign police, hungry belly police who don't love people money. I rather give government the money than who don't love sweet. Now him tell me about under me mama first, so me tell you back. Now him tell me about under me mama. Go suck out under me. And me say suck out back under fear. That me say. Bride, as a police, I don't know if you conduct yourself, don't boy. I don't know how you get police work. Bride, me say no hard as police. Me say no hard, that me say. And Nyam out me say that thing to do. They tell me about under. You can't come under my. You don't know about my bride. Oh, God. Don't go under me mother. You're too bright. Shut your mouth. You're a liar. You are a liar. You are a liar. You are a big liar. You want to get your face good because she'll put you on TikTok. Right. You are a liar. You're not going to tell me about my mother. I'm going to tell you about your mother. You're all tired. You need to lose your job. You need that dirty black ugly one them in the chat.
See the one behind the wall like that, or with that color.
You don't come tell me and look where you stuck ugly mouth.
Is that either a column or a wall or what's it?
By your ugly mouth, ugly belly boy. Kill people innocent and you can't control the anger issue. On the police, on to kill innocent people and you can't control the hungry belly anger issues that want to come and road with. throw me down through the police. I did not tell you about your mother, you tell me first and I tell you back. Jamaica have not justice, so no police have get away with too much wrong gonna do to people. Too much. My video this car good too. You're the one them want catch you see we are till jail. Can take a special set for my van and I don't know why. If me see my fan mode nigger anywhere me see me have to tap me van.
Alright, my people, listen to what me I say now, see? If, and let me say this, if the police said harsh words to the female or any of those persons first, then in my point of view, the police wrong. Notice me say, if, you understand me? I wasn't there, so me can't say, this is somebody say rape and that is somebody say rape. So me I say, if police said harsh words to the person who you can hear talking in the background of the video first or to someone else that is not a police, then in my point of view, police there so would be wrong. That's a if. Alright? Yeah, but on another hand of your subscribers, so me I say, too wrong to make a right. You ever hear one Jamaican saying where they say teeth and tongue will meet? You ever hear that saying there before? You ever hear the one named that was a lashing? Yeah? Yeah, tell me people. So my people, based on what you see and hear in that video, tell me who you think was wrong from who you think was right when it comes down to that situation. Yeah, I so me I left it still my people. So big up, respect and manners to each and every one. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.